Somewhere outdoors, boots in the dirt, father and son putting in work. Sun up to sundown, everybody knows life better living somewhere outdoors.
I get the focus when we get this already moved up. No, we're gonna get all this out of the way first. Yeah. Then cut them. How many of them got cut? Just the one that hanging over. I'm gonna cut them, and then cut. He want this star thing cut out. I'm gonna cut it up to the top first, and let it drop over there on here. He'll probably. Who probably? Here. The one that on the rocks. You see all the rocks? Who probably see all here? Here. Oh yeah, cool. But we're gonna get all this up right here then, and then we'll drag that, throw that. Well, we got pull that, we can't pull it up, throw it back on the table. Yeah, we'll probably pull. Well, we'll probably drag it on. How many legs you got cut on that side? Just the one that's kind of like hanging over the little small ones and stuff. And then you want this the big one right here. So you want to go and get this up first? Get this up first.
Hey, sir. Got the phone working?
I'm checking the email.
Somewhere outdoors, boots in the dirt, father and son putting in work. Sun up to sundown, everybody knows life better living somewhere outdoors.